Okay, well, it's just a quick video. I just bought a new soldering station because my soldering iron was goosed. It's just for a little job, but it's always good to have a soldering iron in your toolkit. So I got this little thing. I can't remember where I got it from. It was 30 quid. It's got an adjustable temperature knob, on-off switch at the back, 2 helping hands, roller solder. Yeah, looks alright. So let us see what we can do with it. So I've got the instruction book. I obviously need to tin the end, so that's what this little video is all about. So it tells me it's got a sleep mode, temperature display in Fahrenheit or Celsius. So here we go. So upon the first use of the soldering iron tip, set the temperature 250 degrees. When the iron tip is just hot enough to melt solder, coat the tip with a layer of solder, then move the temperature up to the required value. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just wet my little sponge. You get a little sponge with it that just helps to clean the tip. Right, so I've dampened it. It's not absolutely sopping wet through. I think it just needs a little bit more there. Right, so that's suitably wet. So I'll put that in there. So I've plugged it in. So let's switch it on and see what happens. So that's set to 300. Now what's it doing? Is it going up to temperature? So it says set it to 250. Good Lord, that got up very quickly. Right, so we get a bit of solder. This is the solder that came with it, and basically I'm just going to run it on the tip. Starting to get some smoke. It's not melting it yet. Ah, right, that green light that's flashing on the dial, can you see it flashing? That means it's not at temperature as yet. So we'll just keep rubbing until it starts to melt. Well, you turn your soldering iron so you know to stop oxidisation. No, we're not there yet. some more smoke. Here we go. Right. Come on. There's that side. There's that side. Turn it round. So we must be just getting to the right temperature because it's melting solder. There we go, that's it, that's giving it a nice coating of solder now. A bit more on that side. And there we go. So that is now tinned. It's got a layer of solder on the tip, and that is now. Thanks, Liv. And that is now ready to be used. Okay, so I've got a little job to do. I might stick it on film, don't know. But that's the preparation for the soldering iron tip. Cheers.